We are nearing the area of operations now, Tracker. Make your final checks. The KS-AD-187 has a powerful sensor suite, capable of detecting moving targets, even through reinforced concrete. I have also included you in its IFF system, so it will defend you if you come under fire. Kumo-chan has detected hostiles near your location, just on the other side of that wall. I'll ping you into its sensor data now.
Sounds like something moving around upstairs. If it's anything, the regular patrol should pick it up.
Looks like you can't proceed without taking those guards down.
Damn it! And I know the intel we're looking for is inside that conference room. Hey! I thought your drone was supposed to defend me in a fight, not run and hide!
That was my doing. I can't risk endangering the drone before you've recovered the intel. Besides, you're more than up to the task, aren't you, Tracker? You're too far ahead of the drone.
Rin, we've reached the access point.
Hold your position while I breach the sanatorium's network. Should only take a few seconds. Stay close to the drone tracker. It can't protect you if you're too far from it. 8C, 5A, E0. You can't just go away now. There must still be something important here. Don't get distracted. We know the Tontine have many world leaders in their pocket. I'm sure what you found is genuine, but also irrelevant to our current mission.
Now this looks important. It's Reznov for sure. But I don't recognize the other two.
That journal in the image, that is why we're here. You're too far ahead of the drone. Keep moving, Tracker. Stay still and you're dead.
That's strange. Found a postcard here.
Stay focused, Tracker. Unless it's specifically related to Reznov, it's beyond our mission parameters. Don't waste any more time on it. We're approaching a major concentration of the enemy.
We can't get around them without being detected.
You're too far ahead of the drone. It appears to be a level 3 security clearance card. That should open most, if not all, doors in this facility. That's it. The location of the Reznov journal. Move forward.
Wait, Kumo-chan seems to have found something.
It's picked up the electronic signature of the control console. That might be our way in.
Let's get this thing open. The sooner I'm out of here, the better.
The code was rejected, but slow down and start again. You can do it. Stay close to the drone tracker. It can't protect you if you're too far from it. You're too far ahead of the drone. I have to commend Reznov. He went to considerable effort to keep the journal's hiding place a secret.
Pretty ingenious if you ask me. And then we had to come along and mess it all up.
Don't let your guard down. We don't know what's in there, or if someone else has been alerted to the pool being drained.
Still trying to wrap my head around the idea that the Tontine have been around as long as they've been. I can feel the ghosts in the walls, Rin. I can hear them, the souls of the damned. They're reaching for me, Rin. They have me.
That is not funny, Tracker. My uncle used to scare me with such stories when I was little. He would laugh when I screamed and I hated him for it. Stay close to the drone, Tracker. It can't protect you if you're too far from it.
I'm coming under fire!
I'm engaging the drone's combat mode. Stand by.
Blast door up ahead.
I see it.
The access card I found earlier might open it.
After you. The safe seems the likeliest place for the journal. You take care of that while I set Kumu-chan to offense mode.
Roger that. All right. Now's my time to shine. I got the journal. But there's a lot of people down here not very happy about it.
The evac helicopter is on its way, but I need you to get to the extraction point.